Enjoy scenic views from the private balcony of this gorgeous, rare and sought-after end-unit 2-level townhome in the Riverbend Condominium. The main, second, floor has an open floor plan with a spacious living room, dining area, eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances, Brazilian soapstone counter with subway tile backsplash and breakfast bar. The third floor boasts the master suite with walk-in closet, oversized windows, master bath with double sinks, soaking tub and glass shower. The second bedroom offers vaulted ceilings and an ensuite bath. Hallway has a laundry closet and attic access for plenty of storage. A one-car garage with additional parking and driveway. Overlooking the Hudson River, Riverbend has an upscale clubhouse, outdoor terrace, heated pool, state-of-the-art fitness room and business center. Located within a short distance to the Peekskill Metro North Train with a courtesy jitney. You are within close proximity to great restaurants, shops, bars, biking trails and more.